Are you eager to know how many payment methods are available to pay embassy fees in this new CGI portal? Then this video is for you. This is Maruthi Reddy. Welcome to Eagle 9 Visa Consultants. Today in this video I am going to explain you one easy and convenient way of making embassy fees in this new CGI portal, that is UPI mode of payment. I will show you what kind of options we are having in UPI and how we can pay the fees. After payment of fees, we will try to observe how much time it is taking for the receipt to be activated and whether we will be able to book appointment or not. So follow this video completely, and I will be making more videos about different modes of payments available like debit card, credit card and other modes of payments are available in next videos soon. I have a login here. Applicant is eligible for B1, B2 Dropbox renewal of visa. Already application has been created. We have signed up, filled the application. We will directly try to go to payment options, look at the UPI payment method, how easy it is, and we'll try to make the payment now itself. I am logging into this profile. I am entering security answers to enter into this profile. This is the home page. So as we have already created a profile and we have already answered all the relevant questions, and this applicant is eligible for B1, B2 Dropbox. So I will go directly to continue option because today's video is all about UPI payment method. So this is the page where we have to make the payment. Number of applicants is 1. Fee is 15,540, and here we have different modes of payment, but today I am specifically going to VFS UPI payment, which is my preferred mode of payment of embassy fees, quick and convenient way. So I am clicking on this and then I am going to submit. Here we are able to observe instruction has been given that it will take 24 hours of time for the fee receipt to be activated. Now after this payment we'll observe how much time it takes. I am going ahead with the option, click here to pay with UPI. So it is directing to visa.vfsglobal.com. VFS is handling the fee payments. I am allowing all cookies. Another page of VFS Global has come. Here again our payment reference number is mentioned here. Amount is mentioned here. And payment expiry date is mentioned. So better we have to pay this by this time. The fee structure changes based on the dollar value, so better pay before 6th of August 2023. Okay, we have to enter the first name of the applicant. These 3 are mandatory fields. Star is there, so we have to fill first name, last name and email ID we have used to log in into this profile. Now I am going to proceed to pay option. So again here some instructions have come. The payment disclaimer. So payment confirmation, communication to VFS from payment gateways whether the payment was successful or not can take up to 2 hours. If the payment has not been deducted, wait 2 hours, then create a new appointment before making another payment. Okay. If your payment has been deducted from your bank account but VFS has failed to confirm your appointment, kindly reach out to VFS support for requesting refund. So this is something like if you have paid the fees and our receipt is not active within 1 day or 2 days of time, we can reach out to VFS support. Maybe we can ask for refund also. Maybe this is another good option. If technical error comes and our fee got deducted and the receipt is not active, we can contact VFS support. So okay, successful payment. You will receive an email notification with a PDF attachment acknowledging the payment made for your application. Please keep this email safely with you. So the moment the payment is successful, you will get an email confirmation. This is a good thing actually. So we will have a clear proof that we have made a payment, so that in future if we have any troubles, if the receipt is not active, we can always contact VFS support for the refund. So another useful tips here is to ensure there are sufficient funds in your account. Okay, payment cancelled. If your payment is cancelled after reaching the payment gateway, you will come back to the review and pay page where you can try to make another payment. payment decline. Payment can be declined for multiple reasons: incorrect card credentials, incorrect OPT to authenticate and validate your payment, insufficient funds in your bank account, and reaching the maximum spend limit on your credit or debit card. So do not close the browser before returning to the VFS confirmation page. Click the back button on the browser while making a payment. Okay, and now I am going to continue option. VFS payment gateway has opened. So here we are able to see the order number, amount, and total amount here. It is asking for shipping address. Better we enter a valid address where we are staying, or at least where we can receive something. So I'm entering the name of the applicant here. So I'm entering applicant's home. I'm entering applicant's phone number also here. So now we have various options of making a payment. So here we have BMIM. This is also a UPI method, PhonePe, GPay, Paytm, WhatsApp, and many other UPI modes of payment. And here we have our UPI ID. We can enter our UPI ID. If we click on it, we will get a message the way how we generally on day-to-day basis are transacting using UPI payments. So we can use that. Pay by QR code. I think in comparison, this is the most convenient and easiest way where there won't be any possibility of error. Pay by QR code is way more convenient is what I feel. So I am using this method to make the payment and see how it goes. And the QR code has opened. I'll pay through PhonePe, and let's see how the payment gets processed. So currently I am paying. I'm entering my 4-digit UPI pin also, and submit, and see how this page reacts. And payment is successful. So payment is already done, and still there is no change in this page. Okay, so now it is redirecting. So thank you, your payment has been processed successfully and your visa payment is confirmed for payment reference number. Again, the reference number has been given. Please check your email for transaction details and download the payment confirmation acknowledgement letter. Okay, so even I will try to save this copy also for future reference. And now I am going back to CGI login, and let's see how much time it takes for our receipt to activate. So it went into, again came back to this page. Again click here, pay with UPI. So we already have made the payment, and I think I will go to visa application home, or whether I go to singular family payment option. So okay, I think we'll go to home page only. So here again it's a home page. Now I will go to continue application. Here the interesting thing, again here continue to confirm receipt has come. So we have made the payment. After that we went to home page and then went to continue, and the option here has changed. It is continue to confirm receipt. Okay, I am pressing on it, continue to confirm receipt. Confirm receipt. Okay, this is one applicant, fees, and receipt number is also entered here. I am going to submit. Fees is active. It's a instant activation of embassy fee receipt. It is not taking 24 hours. It is not taking even 2 hours of time. The mode I have used is UPI mode, and immediately the payment receipt is active, and we were able to see calendar directly. So this is a renewal of B1 B2. I have to pick a date. I am choosing Chennai here, and let me check for the dates. I am going for 14th, picking a date, and submit. Nothing is happening here. This page is not responding at all. I don't know why I have selected date, I have selected time, and then I'm going for submit option. This is just a Dropbox appointment, and why system is not picking up any appointment here. Try again for other location. Calendar is opening up, no problem with calendar. Okay, let me select this and click on submit. Nothing is happening. Let me go back to visa application home. It is going back. Fee payment is already done here. Let me go to schedule appointment again. It is clear. It is clear. I'm selecting Chennai again, and let me go to this option and submit. So whatsoever, the fee payment is active, but I don't know why the submit option, it's not taking submit option here. I don't know why it is stuck. Actually, this function is not working. So whatsoever, you have understood how to make the payment here. I have chosen to make payment through UPI process, and I think it is a very easy process. Activation happened immediately, and why I am not able to pick the appointment is purely a technical error. Probably this will be resolved. My receipt is active, my payment is active. I need not wait for the receipt to be activated, and many people have complained that they have made the payment, it's been 3 days, 4 days, the receipt is not active, and they don't know what to do about it. And one thing we can do is, like, we can contact VFS support and explain them the receipt is not active. At least we can take the refund again from them, and again we can try to make the payment. So hope this video has helped you a lot to understand how we have to do UPI payment for embassy fees. I will try to book appointment if system is working. I will also show you how the appointments are booked. I'll be making more videos about other modes of payment soon, and do follow my videos. Do subscribe my videos for further updates.